Now it's Princess time to go on a sleigh. It's still snowing, sweetie. Let's see how it goes. The problem is putting the dog on the sleigh. He wants to go, but he's afraid.
Come here, boy. Missy, leave him alone.
Good boy.
The saddle position, my man. You can hold the rings if you string if you want. That's... Okay. Here,
Hold
boy.
on, let me go back so you can see.
Leave him alone.
Get out of the way, Amanda.
Hey, boy.
Woo! She wants to go too.
Missy.
Careful, careful. Missy. Good boy, please.
Missy wants to go in there.
No, Miss. Huh?
What?
She going to right on the top. She got hurt in her leg.
She got hurt?
That's what you.
Alright,
Pull her up the hill, Hub. Go, let Daddy pull you up the hill.
You want to come, Prince?
Go up the hill. Pull her up the hill, Hub.
Yeah, you want to pull her? Yeah, sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Sit.
Sit there, Amanda. Daddy pull you. That's nice. Now it's Amanda's turn. Still snowing. Tell Missy to get out of the way.
Okay, you want to go on the front or the back?
Oh my gosh. Look at this. You don't even see my walkway.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Go.
Go.
Who's driving? Missy, get out of the way.
Go, Missy, go.
It's too fast. It's the fastest one. Oh my goodness. Hi. That was the fastest. Only we stopped because of the mountain.
It's okay. Watch your leg.
Oh.